record with my boy VK. And it's a very special track. This track is dedicated to all the DJs out there. Because I know what kind of hustle you guys go through. Lifting up speakers on the stairs, and then you got your sound limiters, and you got this uncle, you got money problems. This track is all for you, so I ain't gonna say much. Watch out for this DJ Uttam VK. DJ Uttam